Octavian. What are you doing down here? Leonardo. Oh, is it wake up time? Oh, maybe not yet. Leonardo. He's so good. Yeah, it's true. What are you doing? Leonardo. Octavian, Leonardo. He is so good. He's a baby. He's so good. He's a little baby.